Today, I'm going to show you Solar.Web. Solar.Web is the online monitoring platform for the Fronius inverter, and you can access this via the app or online via a browser. To get started, go to solar.web.com and click Login. Once you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard. The first thing you will see is the current power. This is a live view of your house where you can see your solar production, your home consumption, and your grid usage or export. The moving dots show the direction the power is flowing. As you can see, the solar is covering 100% of the home loads, meaning that the rest of this is being exported to the grid for a credit from your energy retailer. Along from here is the energy balance. This provides a graph detailing your usage. If we click on here, we can get a full page view and see in detail the home consumption and the solar production. The blue line shows the home consumption, and the solar used in the home is in yellow below that consumption line, with solar exported to grid in grey above the line. You can hover over the graph to see the time and kilowatt hours. You can also go back 3 days in this detailed view on the free Solar.Web account. You can switch between day, month, and year here to see a breakdown of the data in a bar chart. Once again, you can hover over these to get the exact numbers. On the website, you can switch at the top here between production and consumption. The production view shows you how much solar has been produced and the split between using it in the home and exporting to the grid. The consumption view shows how much power you have used in your home and the split between what has come from the grid and what has come from solar. On the app, this is all in one view instead of separated like it is on the website version. Along from here, we have earnings. This is based on a tariff that has been loaded in and shows you the approximate earnings of your system. The earnings are worked out based on solar used in place of power bought from the grid and solar exported for a credit. This switches between the day, month, year, and overall lifetime of the system. Below this, we have the CO2 savings. This is a breakdown of the CO2 you have saved by having the system installed. And then we also have a place to include an image of your system and the local weather as well. The dashboard is great to give an overview of your system at a glance, with the ability to delve further into your system using the energy balance. A great way to know whether it's time to put on that load of washing is to check out the current power. If you are exporting to the grid, then you know you are producing enough to use more electricity in the home and have it come from your solar. We will dive further into some other sections of Solar.Web, so check out our other videos for more information.